400 pips right now, guys. More than 400 pips. Guys, we are now at 80 pips. Secure your profits. It's now moving. It's now moving up. We're at 110 pips. 4703 tayo. 130 pips. 150 pips. 170 pips. Amazing trade, guys. Sana nakasabay kayo. Mali yung lot size ko. Pero okay lang. Profit is profit. Ay, ba't ako naka 0.03? Guys, what a trade. It's now at 230 pips right now yung ating trade. Magic sarap moment na naman tayo. Siyempre, patience is the key. So, thank you Lord sa aming 200 plus pips na naman ngayon ng mabilisan. 270 pips. We're almost at 300. Okay. Hindi, pero abot yan. Guys, we hit full TP at mukhang tatagusin niya pa. Observe niyo muna tong level na to. More than 400 pips right now. More than 400 pips. Wala po muna tayong trade, guys. Thank you, Lord. Type natin, thank you, Lord.